Installing a system board. Carefully hold the front guide pin and tilt the system board. Align the connectors with the corresponding holes on the front of the node and then gently slide the system board forward. Orient the system board with the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node and then carefully insert the system board into the node. Fasten the 7 Phillips No. 1 screws on the system board with a Torx screwdriver. Check the gap pads on both sides of the VR water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Align the VR water loop trough with the holes on the system board and then fasten the 2 Torx T10 screws to secure the VR water loop trough. Install the power distribution board. Check the gap pads on the water loop and replace any that are damaged or missing. Carefully turn over the water loop, position it over the 2 guide pins near the rear of the node, and then lower it down and ensure it is firmly seated on the system board. Push all the anti-tilt wire bales outwards to the locked position. Use a Torx T30 Torx screwdriver to fully fasten the 8 captive screws on the cold plates in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate label. Unfasten the 12 Phillips No. 2 water loop carrier screws. Carefully lift the water loop carrier up and away from the water loop. Fasten the 9 Torx T10 water loop screws. Fasten the following screws to secure the quick connect. 5 Torx T10 screws on the rear of the node. 2 Torx T10 screws on the quick connect. Install the voltage regulator clamp plate in the node and then install the 2 Torx T10 screws. Install the DIMM combs and DIMMs. Install the PCIe riser assemblies or drive cage assemblies. Install the M.2 backplane assembly. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover. Install the tray into the enclosure.